Hello and welcome to this video where I will demonstrate how to use an online free calculator to calculate the time between two different dates. So the first step is to go to your internet browser of choice and then type in calculator time between dates. And go to this one, time and date, which is www.timeanddate.com. Now you can do a couple of different things on this calculator. So here's a start date, here's an end date. You can count the days between the two dates, or you can start with a start date and you can add days. And then there's different settings for work days, which is calculate the number of working or non-working days between two dates of your choice. You can add work days, which is you have a start date and then you add or subtract any number of working or non-working days from a date of your choice. And then you have weekday, find out the day of the week for a date of your choice. So you'll just enter a date and it'll tell you if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that sort of thing. And then you have a week number. So that calculates the calendar week number for any date, or find out the date and end date for a calendar week of your choice. So if you need week numbers, if you use week numbers, that's going to be useful for you. But let's just say I want to do it for today as a start date, which is February 8th, 2025. So I just click today, and then I want to figure out how many days from this start date until, let's say, December 12th of next year. And then you can also choose to count only work days, but I'm going to calculate every calendar day, including non-work days like the weekend. And so you click calculate duration, and it'll give you this really awesome output. So first of all, you can toggle on and off to include the end date in your calculation. So if you toggle this on or check this, your duration will be 1 day longer because you're including the end date itself. If you don't have it checked off, it will be 1 day less because you're not including the end date. And so, here it'll list what it did. So it went from Saturday, February 8th, 2025 to Saturday, December 12th, 2026. That difference is 672 days, excluding the end date, because I don't have this checked, right? So it doesn't include the end date. And then it also shows it a couple different ways. But 672 days is also can also be expressed as 1 year, 10 months, and 4 days, or 22 months, 4 days. And again, it highlights here that it excludes the end date. So you're not going to miss that part because it repeats it here. And then there's a bunch of alternative time units, which are not very practical for the most part, but depending on what you're trying to do, maybe it's useful. So 672 days can also be expressed in seconds, minutes, hours, days, and weeks, and percentages of a year that lasts 365 days. So a year that's not a leap year. So yeah, that's basically how you can use the days calculator to calculate the days between two dates. I find this very useful. I use it both in my personal life and at work, project management, that sort of thing. It's just a super simple, fast tool that can quickly give you exactly the numbers and prevents you from having to open a calculator and start counting. So yeah, thanks for watching.